So to continue what Stefan has mentioned in this detailed schema.org for ontologies, and we would like to see the usage behind that on search service. So for people who are not familiar with search service, this is a centralized searching platform for all the data sets from different chemistry-based repositories. And how we getting these metadata? We are harvesting, as you have guessed already. So initially we had different challenges while harvesting. Right now, if we talk about the bioschemas, Stefan and his team has developed an open OAI server, which combines bioschemas and JSON-LD metadata from both the NM archive and mass bank. This will be harvested um, and updated regularly, and the Python libraries like RDKit will be used to enrich the metadata which is already there. So, right, but we are talking about the ontologies today. So this is a brief or a sample example from the NM archive JSON LD metadata. As you can see, the rich metadata could be from an instrument and measurement taken. Uh, Talking about a detailed variable measurement regarding the control vocab, we have to mention the property IDs and the type name much detail, which will help the search service to be looking fine rich and crafted well on the user interface. Uh, this is completely done with the Go when more number of data sets are already available. So this is how it would look on the UI, and as you can see, the developments are being made on two different metadata informations, which is additional metadata, which gives you basic information like source, versions, and authors, etc. But we are really interested on the measurement techniques and variables, which are control vocabs and how the metadata is stored. As you can see, the links, which I think someone had mentioned during the Stefan's presentation, that how do we linking between terminology service and search service? Yes, that's happening. As uh, as you can see, the hyperlinks are already available. Yet, this is just a beta version we are working on right now. This would be definitely a future vision to link them on a fly, and they have to be done while harvesting this. So it is important for to be data more fair, findable and readable for the user. It is important to have the Perl URLs, Perls more human readable instead of just a text of URLs, and then which can be labeled as RDF labels. This can be done by onto elements by registry and queries. This is how we are looking the future right now. Yeah, and to also replace and standardize the queries in harvest and exported data. So this was a very brief introduction to search service and an advertisement. But I think what Stefan has said would be these would be the usages, and looking forward to have more metadata coming from the different repositories. So thank you.